Canter off. Come up the center, but round it a little bit so it, like, he doesn't get so scutchy up the center, you know? Now really lean back out of your turn. It's right there. 1, 2, 3. Circle. Lean back. Use your outside rein. Now the line. You gotta walk a little. Remember, that was your 5. You're gonna make a big move there. Okay? Come up, look. Come up this quarter track here by me. You were in between big and small, and like you went for the big, he went for the small. Little sooner out of your turn. Hold him. 1, 2, okay. Circle. Now let's do the wall. Don't round your shoulders. Look to the right. Do the line toward home now. We didn't do this one yet. Oops. Easy, wait. Do the roll top. Straighten his head and neck. Look left. Go back to the line. Hold him. 3. Slow it down. Don't round. Go to the 4. Go back to the 4. Nice body position there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish up on the wall and you're done. Don't round, don't round. Pull him up, outside rein. One, 2, 3. Look right. Left circle. I'll back up. And back to your walk.